extra, extra,
extra, extra,
more, or more than usual.
she babysits to earn a bit of extra cash. He needs extra help with his English. The price includes travel and accommodation, but meals are extra.
straight, straight,
Straight, straight,
Not curved or bent.
a straight line. She's got straight blonde hair.
In a straight line.
Go straight on, along this road, and turn left at the traffic lights. He was looking straight at me. Can't you see it? It's straight ahead of you.
pocket, pocket,
Pocket, pocket,
A small bag for carrying things in, which forms part of a piece of clothing.
a jacket or trouser or coat pocket. She thrust her hands deep in or into her pockets. He took some coins from or out of his pocket.
baby, baby,
baby, baby,
A very young animal.
A baby elephant or monkey. First, 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 firstly.
Most important, top.
Sheila won first prize in the photo competition.
Before doing anything else.
First of all, we swam 200 meters in the pool.
Used to introduce the first idea, reason, etc. in a series.
First of all, I'd like to ask you a few questions about your childhood.
Used to introduce the first idea, reason, etc. in a series.
First, I want to thank my parents.
cut, cut,
Cut, cut, cutting, cut, cut.
To use a knife or other sharp tool to divide something, remove part of something, or make a hole in something.
She cut herself a slice of bread. He cut the cake into 6 pieces and gave each child a slice. Cut the meat up into small pieces.
capital, capital,
A city which is the center of government of a country, state, or region.
The capital of France is Paris. Australia's capital city is Canberra.
toilet, toilet,
toilet, toilet,
A room or small building in a public place in which there are several toilets.
Do you know where the ladies' toilets are?
To empty the body of urine or solid waste, usually using a toilet to do so.
It's going to be a long journey, kids, so if you want to go to the toilet, do so now.
blood, blood,
Blood, blood, blood, bleed, bloody.
The red liquid that flows around your body.
A blood test or sample. He lost a lot of blood in the accident. You can give blood at the local hospital. Popular. Popular. Popularity, popular, unpopular.
Liked by many people.
She's the most popular teacher in school. That song was popular with people from my father's generation. Walking is a popular form of exercise in Britain.
Lunchtime. Lunchtime.
The time when lunch is eaten.
It'll be lunchtime soon. Rich. Rich. Riches, richness, enrich, rich.
Having much more money than most people, or owning things that could be sold for a lot of money.
She's from a very rich family. He's the third richest man in the country. They're one of the world's richest nations. Day. Day. Day, midday, daily, daily.
The period during the day when there is light from the sun.
A bright, sunny day. It's rained all day today. These animals sleep in the day and hunt at night.
The time that you usually spend at work or at school.
A normal working day. I work a 7-hour day. We're having to work a 6-day week to cope with demand.
Used to talk about the present time.
Vegetarianism is very popular these days.
Used to talk about something that happened in the past.
One day, I came home to find my windows smashed. Cleaner. Cleaner. Cleaner, clean.
Someone whose job is to clean houses, offices, public places, etc.
Our cleaner comes on Wednesdays.
Pull. Pull.
Pull. Pull.
To take hold of something and move it towards you.
He pulled the box across the floor to the door. He pulled her out of the water. A small child was pulling at her sleeve.